Some of you guys think the PCs we sell over at PC Bros are expensive. Some of you think they're pretty fairly priced, but hey, we decided just to make the ultimate budget gaming PC for you guys.
And yeah, we're not making much money on it. We're actually gonna be selling 5 of them as a limited drop, and we thought, you know what, we might as well make a video about this, even though we normally wouldn't, because we wanna show you guys how you can cash in on this really awesome deal over at PC Bros. But before we dive into that, we gotta make some money somehow. Let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Thermaltake and their enthusiast-friendly Core P3 TG Pro case, which is a new rendition on the iconic P series that delivers awesome build quality and a unique design. With the addition of another fan bracket, you can add even more fans to your case and support up to a 420mm radiator, along with an updated recessed design on the motherboard side vent to avoid interference when using a really big GPU like the RTX 4000 series, while also featuring a solid vertical GPU mount option to really show off that next-gen graphics card. They also updated the front I/O and designed the case with expansion and customization in mind, with its very modular design so you can build it to fit your needs. This case is great for building an awesome custom loop PC or just a super clean next-gen high-end gaming rig. To learn more about this enthusiast case, check the link down below, and big thanks again to Thermaltake for sponsoring today's video.
All right, you wanna tell the people how crazy we are?
Absolutely crazy. So we have this build right here that maybe we'll put a screenshot of, but basically, we started off with 5 of these. We might do more, depending on how this video does, and if you guys really like it, and if we can find the parts at a good price, then we might do more of these builds. But as you can see right here, this total, that is our cost right there, $681.18. That is what we're planning on selling them for, is $750 plus shipping, which is usually 40 to 60 bucks. Now, obviously that does not count labor. That does not count the pricing of the boxing. That doesn't really count anything besides just the raw parts and everything. So, you know, when you use that discount code Santa5 for this month, which is 5% off anything, we are now getting our total money back. If that, we might even be losing some money, but we wanted to do that. We knew we were gonna lose some money. We said, hey, why not? You know, it's time to give back to you guys. We do the monthly giveaways, but we're like, let's go a little bit further. Let's actually make it to where people can buy a nice build that's really well built, sleeve cables, lots of customization, upgrade path, but they don't have to spend more than the actual cost of the parts. It'd be like if you were to build it at home.
And you also get a warranty. Like, we're throwing in a 1-year warranty. You wouldn't get that if you built it yourself. You had to deal with the manufacturers and stuff. You actually have us to give you the warranty, which, you know, will help you out. But you won't have to worry about that because your PC is gonna be absolutely awesome. So I guess what we'll go ahead and do is pull all these parts into our build room and just go over each individual part and how it makes up this awesome build.
Let's do it.
Don't drop it.
So scared. So originally we weren't even gonna make a video on this. Matt just looked at it and was like, you know what, this would be a cool video. So I was like, yeah, why not? The idea behind this was we just want to do something kind of like Toasty Bros promotional. You know, from the Toasty Bros, we get paid by doing the YouTube video, doing the ads and all that. And then PC Bros, of course, that's how the only way we make money at PC Bros, because it's not just us. We have a whole lot of workers back there that they got to get paid. They got to keep their houses and everything. So we have to make profit on builds, but every so often we can do something fun like this. We can take a build and, you know, sell it for a little bit of a loss or sell it for like a break even, just to try to help out people at home like you guys who want to get a really good cheap build without spending a ton of money. So yeah, 750 bucks. I'm excited to build it. Let's talk about the parts. So for the CPU, we got a very nice Ryzen 5 5600. So I like this processor a lot because it's basically the 5600X, just downclocked a little bit. You get Gen 4 support, 6 cores and 12 threads. Comes with a pretty nice stock cooler as well. For the motherboard, we had the ASRock B550 Phantom Gaming 4AC. So we did get a full-size board because we wanted it to actually look good. Part of this build that we're going for is like, let's go full aesthetics on it. Let's make it actually look nice, but keep it budget. So full-size case, full-size board. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in as well, which is really awesome. 4 RAM slots too. Now for the RAM, we have some TeamGroup T-Force Delta DDR4 3200 megahertz, and it is a 16 gig kit, RGB. Looks really nice. We love this stuff, been using it for years. And for storage, we have this very nice Crucial P3 NVMe M.2 SSD, 500 gigs, very good read-write speeds. We tried to go with some decent name brand parts in this build, of course.
All right, guys, so for the GPU, this is the most important part really here in the gaming PC. We have the
Mech 2.
The Mech 2. Wait, oh, hold up. RX 6600, guys. This graphics card is one of our favorites on the market right now. 8 gigs of VRAM will play anything you want, 1080p high refresh rate, and even stretch it to 1440p if you want to. And it was really a no-brainer for this kind of PC build, especially going with that 5600. You got the RX 6600, it's the best value card right now. It really makes for a super high-performing gaming PC while not costing too much. We have an awesome power supply here. ASUS Tough 550 watt, 80 plus bronze power supply. I mean, this is a very reliable unit that you can pick up for your PC builds at home. 550 watts, more than enough for this PC build, especially with it being a very highly rated 550 watt power supply. You will have no issues with this thing, and you'll have some room for upgrades in the future. And in terms of the case, and oh wait, no, what am I doing? What am I doing? We're adding sleeve cables, guys. A lot of the PC Bros PCs we even do don't come with sleeve cables because we try to save some money there. But you know what? We ain't saving money here. We're gonna make it look nice and pretty. Sleeve cables, I don't remember the color scheme. They're black and gray. I remember when we were playing this build, our awesome staff at PC Bros was like, what color should we go with? And black and gray is a good option. It's a good little mix up between just standard black cables, and it just adds a little bit of touch. I know we wanted to really emphasize the RGB, so we didn't want to like pick a color and stick with that. So that's something we can do with the future drop. If you have a color scheme you want us to do with another drop, if this turns out well, let us know in the comment section down below. But yeah, we got those right there. And the case, this is a fun case. Really do like this case. This is the Nova Mesh SETG 4ARGB. We really like it because it has 4 ARGB fans pre-installed. It is a mesh case, so good airflow, and it's gonna look good. The RGB looks good. It's really easy to set up. So overall, again, we spent, let's see what the total was, $681 for this PC build. And we're going to be selling it for $750 plus shipping. So yeah, we're really not gonna make much here, especially with all the time invested to put these together, ship it out and stuff like that. But we're giving back to you guys, and hopefully you guys like these PC builds. Let's put it together.
Alright guys, we are starting off with some Apex Legends 920 by 1080 max FOV, and we got high settings. We got settings turned all the way up pretty much. We're gonna see what this thing can do.
Not too bad. And yeah, we're really maxing this thing out. I mean, you have the 8 gigs of VRAM and the 6600 to be able to do so, but if you really wanted to get even more locked, higher, fresher experience, modify settings, but this is looking really good. It's a good thing you can't hit him.
Good thing I can't hit him.
Help your teammates. Yeah!
This thing is so hot every freaking round. What? Oh, how do I punch? Oh, oh, freaking K.
Oh, the champion, imagine.
Oh, God.
Teammates saved the day. That's Apex. You got more gameplay than you probably needed, but it ran great. Let's move on to the next one. All right, gamers, we are now in Warzone, and these are the graphics right now. We're on the balance preset. We're pretty much just all over the place, medium, low, high. This preset is pretty common that a lot of people will run, so you get some good quality at 1080p while also, you know, not getting too much lack of performance. So we're gonna go ahead and drop in and see if we maintain 100 FPS, because I think that'd be pretty impressive for a PC you can buy for 750 bucks. Is there anyone here to fight? Bro, just turn your mic off. Sorry, Emily.
That wasn't even him. Oh.
Oh shit, you cannot die.
Oh,
Yeah!
That was him.
Get, you're done, Coachy King! Ah, my ears are saved. It's on a vehicle. Someone took the EV. Oh, what just happened? Whoa! Ah! Oh! Was he hiding behind a rock? Oh my God, look at him.
Can't even find you.
No! Oh, the jailer. Warzone, very playable. So we're gonna go ahead and do, max this thing out, run some built-in benchmarks, and then just wrap this video up real quick.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking this PC that we just built, and like we said, we currently have 5 of them in the books that we will be listing on the website that we will build as needed. But if this video does well and we end up being able to find the parts, you know, at reasonable cost, then we can definitely do some more for you guys.
So let us know if there's any other builds you would like to see, whether it's a certain case, a certain PC part, a certain price point. Let us know in the comment section down below. Once again, this is experimental, so we'll see how well you guys actually respond to these PCs and if you guys want to pick them up. But yeah, I think this is a really good build for the money, and I highly suggest you check the link down below, which is not going to be an affiliate link. It'll just be a link to PC Bros, our PC selling business, where you can buy a PC today.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
So this whole video was kind of about PC Bros, so of course we gotta talk about PC Bros now. So if you use code Santa5, you can get 5% off this PC. You could also get it off another PC, or you could get some merch with it. Heck, buy the PC and some merch.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptops, so much more. And if you use code TOASTY, no, what am I talking about? Santa5. I just went in autopilot mode, guys. It's been a little bit of a day. Santa5, 5% off this PC, laptop, whatever you want. See you guys later. Goodbye.